Welcome back. In this part, we're exploring how access control works inside a smart contract and how we can restrict certain actions based on the user's address. So here, I've deployed the contract and we're interacting with it through Remix. Now, let's say we have a function that allows us to print or trigger a message, but only if the caller has the correct access. This is where the concept of permissions comes in. If I call this function using an address that has the required access, the transaction goes through successfully, and we can see the message being executed as expected. However, if I switch to another account that does not have permission and try to execute the same function, the transaction fails and throws an error like no access. This clearly shows how smart contracts can enforce restrictions and ensure that only authorized users can perform certain actions. Now, looking at the code, this is a simple test implementation to demonstrate access control. We define conditions inside the function to check whether the caller's address matches the authorized one. If it does, the function proceeds; otherwise, it reverts the transaction. This pattern is very important when building real-world smart contracts, especially for functions like withdrawals, admin controls, or sensitive operations. So overall, this example helps you understand how access-based logic works in Solidity and how you can secure your smart contract functions using basic checks.